on the way. I have picked up the route, the right route which I was supposed to pick. So I'm gonna drive down now. It's gonna be 9 hours from now, from here where I exactly am. मैं कहाँ जा रही हूँ and I'm going for 2 months actually, so I couldn't have left Vayu behind. मैं कहाँ जा रही हूँ and all those details I'm not giving as of now for safety reasons. That is one. Secondly, for Vayu and for my kitten, it's the first time traveling on road, via road in a car. They travel but very short distances, like to the vet or something. ऐसे इतना long distance they haven't traveled, so visibly Vayu is not very comfortable, but that's how dogs are. They're not very comfortable. Vayu, cutie. He's 1 year old and they're not very comfortable in the car, but I'm just hoping कि थोड़ा सा वो comfortable हो जाए. And please don't worry, वो मैंने बांधा इसलिए because वायु बार बार उसको झटके लगते हैं तो एक जगह पर नहीं बैठता. वो सो गया था आराम से. It's loose enough, so don't worry about it. I have taken utmost care of that. यहाँ पे barrier वाला एक case लगाया था. I don't know what that exactly is called, but then he was not comfortable. He's big in size, so वो मैंने हटा दिया. So I have a bed sheet on the back seat and he's sitting nicely. अभी बीच में सो गया था. I'm hoping that he sleeps again because otherwise he's restless. थोड़ा restless dogs रहते हैं, but that's okay. बीच में आपको उन्हें you need to take them out for walk. You need to take them out for the piss. I hope there is a coffee shop. I've heard from some people who've traveled on this route that there is a Starbucks on the side, highway side. If there is one, that is where I'll stop, because और कहीं पे stop करना is like switching off the car. वहाँ पे I can still take them out. I'll see how it goes. अगर वहाँ पे रुकने का होता है, it is going to be I think 4 hours from here, 4 hours from now. तो if they're comfortable, अभी तो वो सो जाएगा. If they're comfortable, I'll get them out. I'll grab a coffee or something. I'll post again. So that's what I'm gonna do. Another thing is that I could have clubbed all these clips of starting the day of travel, starting from the day of travel, then बीच का process जो मैं आपको छोटे clips में that I'm giving, I could have just clubbed it all together and given it. But the whole idea is I am getting back to this game after a very long time, like the vlogging thing. So I will take some time to get a hang of it, like I explained in the first video, and that's why I want to keep the frequency higher of frequency of posting higher. So if I do batch filming, I am just gonna post that one video and then I'll be like, ab next time karenge, and I don't want to. I'm the best at procrastinating, so I don't want to do that. So yeah, that's about it. That's for now. And if I take a halt, I'm gonna kind of post again. So yeah, see you guys in a while. Take care. Say bye to Vayu. Vayu, cutie.